Hi everyone, I am Jugraj Singh Bali from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and this is our capstone project DLook AI. The problem we are solving is the traditional search engines used in Web 2, and with the growth in Web 3 and decentralization, discovering relevant and meaningful content remains a major challenge, and data privacy is also a main concern for users. For Web3, the lack of efficient indexing and search infrastructure is missing, which we have built in our project DLook AI. Our solution combines Web3 blockchain technology and AI powered search engine to create a decentralized, privacy first search engine. The key features are AI optimized ranking and blockchain verified results. So, the main objectives of our project were privacy first search, true decentralization, and intelligent results. So, the technology we used, these are different layers of our project. For front end, we used React and Tailwind. For backend, we used Node.js, and for Web3 integration, we used Alchemy API and ENS resolver contracts. So, um, this is the class diagram of our project. The user class will consist the information of the user. Each user will have its unique ID and wallet address, and upon every query it makes, it will generate a search log. The search engine will be handling the domain and search index. Also, the content will be fetched by the search engine, will be saved in the fetch log. Um, this is the data flow diagram. Whenever the user will make a query, this will go through a search engine and which will rank the results. These will be fetched with the con consistent database on the network. Then it will go to the query processing and indexing. If it is found in the domain database, it will return to the ranking system and the user will get it eventually. But if it is not fetched from the domain database, then it will go for domain resolution, which will be then handled by the blockchain ENS. And once it is discovered with domain discovery upon the IPFS network, it will then follow the path of content retrieval and IPFS network, and then it will follow back to the search engine and will be ranked, which will be then shown to the user and will be saved in the search logs. The core modules in our project were front-end module, backend module, AI module, and blockchain module. These are the module implementation. The domain discovery module was the basis of our search engine. It fetches the ENS domains using Alchemy API and acts as at the entry point of our Web3 pipeline. It stores the domain name, the owner, and the resolver. Then this will go to the domain resolution module. When the ENS domains are resolved to content hashes, it filters out domains without the content and hence showing relevant content to the user. This is the content retrieval module. All the content from every web page will be retrieved and then later used for indexing and processing. Once the data is fetched, it can then be used for ranking and showing the relevant results. It filters low quality or irrelevant results, hence maintaining uh, relevant search. Then all the searched queries will be logged. Uh, the user queries and system responses will be created in separate logs. It tracks content and fetches the success failure rate. It supports debugging and performance monitoring. And then the last module is user interface module, which acts as the front end. The build using React and White. It displays the ENS domain with previews and shows us relevancy with the result display. The algorithms used, we used AI-based search engine, and the used algorithm is CFIDF. It converts query into embeddings and shows the relevancy and ranked results, and hence the data retrieval algorithm and hashing algorithm. This is used to hash the query and hence maintaining a security and secure data handling within the system. These are the code snapshots. This is a basic workflow of our project. As described earlier, the user will make a simple query which will and saved in the search log and will pass on to the search engine. The search engine will send the query to domain resolver, and it will resolve and check the status of the query if it exists, or if we have to interact it with the search index. Then the search indexing happens actually on the IPFS network. It will check for the web pages on the network and fetches it, then parses the data and hence sends it back to domain resolver, which sends it back to search engine, and all this will be saved in the fetch log, hence showing the user the results for his query. So this is the front end, and you can see as we have searched the query hello, and this shows a web3 website with a relevance for the project. So the key achievements were integrating AI with blockchain technology and designing a secure and privacy preserving search architecture. So this
So
is
this
our
is the
project,
project
decentralized web search engine
Delook AI.
or
It is a
Delook AI.
decentralized web search
It
engine,
will show live
and
real-time Web3
it shows
content.
us
It
live
will rank
results, real-time
results.
Web3
We will
content.
search on it.
For
And
example,
for
we make a
example, if we
query
search
for say
wallet,
wallet and then search it.
that then it
It
will
will
process
show
the
us
query
the
and will
results
show the
on the
websites which are
IPFS
on the
network
Web3.
and show their
These are
relevance
different
to us.
from Web2
For
websites. For
example, the
example,
first website
the Web2 browsers
showing
show
100%
the
relevance,
.com
and these websites are
websites
different from
which are
Web2 as they
generally
are
saved on
hosted on a
servers, and
server,
these are
and their
uh,
domain are .com,
Web3
which are
websites
fetched by
hosted
the
on the IPFS
domain
network.
system, and hence this is our project. Thank you. And these are the references.